Britney Spears has faced many ups and downs in her life, but her love for her two sons, Sean Preston and Jaden James, has always been her greatest motivation. After gaining freedom from her father's control in 2021, Britney has been able to spend more quality time with her boys. She moved closer to them in Calabasas, allowing for more frequent visits and stronger bonds. Britney strives to make up for lost time by creating beautiful memories with her sons. Whenever Sean and Jaden visit, she prepares cozy meals and engages in fun activities with them. Both boys have their own rooms at Britney's house, where they feel comfortable and safe. Sam Asghari, Britney's husband, plays a crucial role in mending this relationship. He doesn't try to replace their father but acts as a supportive older brother, always ready to share and help Sean and Jaden. Sam's presence has had a positive impact, making the boys feel loved and respected. Britney often shares happy moments with her sons on social media, warming the hearts of her fans. She's always proud of Sean and Jaden's growth and achievements, even as they become independent teenagers with their own opinions. Every time she sees her sons growing up, Britney feels emotional and grateful to witness their progress. Britney Spears' current life is not only fulfilled with the love of Sam Asghari, but also filled with joy from being close to and caring for her two sons. She constantly strives to create a warm and loving family environment where Sean and Jaden can feel her unconditional love. Britney's efforts have paid off as her relationship with her sons grows stronger and more enduring.